Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy SEMO-MAC, and I'm back at it again. So what I got for you is a company by the name of, I think it's called Kelived, is what I think it is. I'll throw the spelling up on here so you can actually see, but I think that's how it is. But right here it is, as you can see. So what this is they actually sent me some tie downs, and they're ratchet straps is what they are. And these things are freaking awesome. So we're gonna throw this, get the old tailgate popped out for you, because I'm gonna tell you right now, you got one of these, you're gonna need some of these. And now, just to get you all up to speed on there, like I said, they sent these out to me. This is not what I'm going to be using to strap this thing down. This is what I'm going to be using to strap stuff down in the back of this UTV, all right? So what you get is this nice little carrying bag right here, which I think is freaking sweet. And inside of it, you actually get the ratchets. And you get what they call soft tie downs, and I just dropped one. But that's okay, because I got it now. So you get 4 of these. And if you don't know what a soft tie down is, that's pretty much if you can't get tied down to something, you can loop it over, hook them together, and now you've got it to where you can pull on there and you can tie down. So you get 4 of those. You also get the actual ratchets themselves. You get 4 of these. Now these things are these are freaking sweet, y'all. Look at this. You got your locking clip here, and I'm sorry, but the bugs are killing me right now. Southeast Missouri is horrible with bugs. But hey, you get 2 of them right here, and 1 on each side. I love these where they can lock it in so it's not sliding out. I don't know about y'all, but every time when I try to hook one of these up myself, I come around here, slap that on there, go to walk off, it slides off. Now it hooks. I like it. Awesome handles. Look at this right here. These things are freaking yeah, I love them. But how this works is you have a lock and you've got an unlock right here. As you see that little yellow, all you have to do to pull these out, hook this up to where you want to hook it, pull that right there, and literally take out as much as you want. And now, if you want it back, let's say we want to ratchet this up. So now we have this down here. All we have to do is put it right up there. And we're ratcheting. And the mosquito keeps buzzing my ear. Now, let's say we're done ratcheting. All we have to do is pull this, put it down, and right there you go. It retracts right up there. These are awesome. And I'm going to show this to you again. When I'm talking about these nice little, if you can see me here, notice that won't fit on there. So what we're going to do, you can take these little soft straps here, take that, hook that in right there, as you can see that right there. Then I can come over here, strengthen that out, do the same thing over here, fold that out. Well, if I can get it on here, Mr. One Hand, hook that up, hook that up, and now it is not, as you can see here, it's not going to go away. So what I can do is press this little yellow, retract it. Now I've got it to where it's pretty much took up all the slack. Take this, put that up. There you go, right here. Ain't that freaking sweet? So yeah, these are awesome, y'all. And then we can take this, put it right down there, lock it, and now we're good. Take that off. Now, if I'm done, and I want to ratchet this up, and I'm done, all I do is pull that little yellow, pull it right in. And now you don't have everything all loose, everything's all crazy and everything like that. You don't have to have that because you got this right here. So these are freaking sweet, y'all. These are, like I said, they were sent out to me. The reason why I say I'm not going to use these to strap this down with, because really the brake strength on this set right here is 1,500 pounds. On something like this, to like really tie this down in my back of into my trailer, you need more like around 4,500, 5,000. But hey, look up this company. I'm sure they got them. But yeah, these are freaking sweet. I really do like them. I mean, can't go wrong with them. I mean, anything that you're strapping down, same way if you're putting in your trailer, you know, if you have like a motorcycle or stuff like that, or if you got a bunch of lumber that you're doing, this right here would be sweet for them. I mean, you could latchet that down and you're good to go. Whew, SEMO-MAC can't talk today, y'all, because it's freaking hot. It's just all there is to it. But yeah, you get that little sweet bag, you got everything in there, it's all compact, it's ready to go for you, and you can't beat it. You know, if you're interested in something like this, look down in my description. I've got a link down there. Y'all can click on that. It'll take you straight to it. The price on these ain't bad, like I said, for what you get and how they're set up. They're running around 43 bucks, like 42 and some change. Honestly, that's not bad, because I mean, there's a lot of ratchet straps out there that's probably about that price, and you don't get near the quality nor how this is set up to where you can just, you know, ratchet it out and you don't have to worry about it. So yeah, so that's my thoughts on this, y'all. I really do like these. I appreciate the company sending them out to me. Like I said, if you're interested in it, it's down there in my description. Just click on it, take you straight to it. So hey, this is SEMO-MAC bringing you on another review. If you liked it, hey, hit that like button. Won't you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, because I got more stuff coming down the pipeline to bring to y'all. So as I always tell you, I hope y'all are being kind to everyone, and I hope you have a great day. This is your boy SEMO-MAC, and I am out. Peace.